Hey friends, I just wanted to do a quick little overview of your course. So this is for AP Calculus, and I'm Miss V Leaningham or Miss V. So this is in Canvas, so anything that I'm going to show you today, you can access anytime. It is under the syllabus tab on the left-hand side, so click there and you can get all this information. So as I said, I'm Miss Van Leaningham. You can call me Miss V. I think I know most of you guys already, so that shouldn't be a shock. I've been here for 5 years, and as I said, I know you guys, so y'all know that I teach Math 1, and I taught a lot of you guys pre-calc, and now we have AP Calc, so this will be super fun. And of course, I have Wrigley on here because y'all know he's everything to me. Um, so daily, I've got Math 1, and then we're gonna have AP Calc second block, and I've got Math 1 again fourth block. I've got Planning fifth block. So that'll be the time to reach me during the day would be the best time. So if you are at home, that's easy. Just try to reach out to me sometime in that time frame, and I've got it over here to the right. If you're at school, it's a little bit trickier, but I know a lot of times seniors and stuff, we have free blocks. So if fifth block happens to be yours, that'll be a great time for you to get some extra help if you need it. My contact information is up here. So you guys should know this already. The best way to contact me is Remind. So your class code is right here. So go ahead and join that as soon as possible. If you don't do it before Wednesday, I'm going to have you do it on Wednesday or the first time I see you in class. I'm going to be on you guys about that until everybody's in there. So make sure we get that done. And again, most of you guys have had me before, so you should know that already. Here's a brief outline of our course. So typically AP Calculus is taught in 2 semesters, like year long. However, we only have 1 semester, so we've got to hit the ground running and get through as much material as possible. So you can kind of see the breakdown here. This first side is like what would typically be covered in your first semester. So in theory, if this was a year-long course, we would have already covered all of this material. And then the second half is more like what we would be covering in the spring. But there again, we are on a shortened timeline, so we're going to have to get a lot of stuff done. So it's super, super important that we are joining the Google Meets for class every day. You're doing classwork every single day, not waiting till like Friday or Saturday or Sunday night to do everything for the entire week, because it will be too much for you to get done in one day. So expectations for my class, again, I've had most of you guys already, so these shouldn't be anything new. Be prompt, so that's not only like when you're showing up to class, make sure you're on time, make sure we're turning things in on time as well. So due dates are a bit flexible just because of the circumstances that we're in right now. However, just because I don't ask you to turn in all assignments until Sunday at midnight does not mean that it's totally okay to wait until Sunday at midnight to do all of your work every week. We'll talk more about that face to face if we need to. But again, make sure that you are doing work every day and turning things in every day. Being prepared goes right along with that. And being productive, when you are in class with me, like you get me 2 days a week. If you're in school, some of you are fully remote, so you won't even get that. So when you are in school, when you are in the Google Meets, you need to be focused. You need to be productive. Okay. So we have got to get things done. We are on such a time crush. I cannot express it enough how efficient we have to be. Always be polite. I try to be polite to you, so do the same to me and everybody else in your class. And as always, be positive. I think that's going to be crucial this semester with everything that's going on just in the world, but also because it's going to be a little bit stressful with us trying to get through everything. So positivity is going to be key for us. Your supplies, you guys should have this by now. Some way to stay organized. Loose leaf paper is always a good idea. You've got to have something to write with. Erasers are a good idea too. I really like colored things. So like I use colors in notes a lot. Again, you probably know that already. I think it's really, really helpful. So highlighters or colored pens, something like that would be good. Dry erase markers and stuff are awesome if we get to use whiteboards, but with like the germs and stuff, I don't know how much we'll get to do that. And it's always helpful to have some Kleenexes and hand sanitizer for the class if you can. Grading is a little bit different than it has been previously. So we've only got 2 categories this semester. We've got major assignments and minor assignments. So that's just to give us a little bit more flexibility with scoring things. But basically, minor assignments are going to be things like homework, classwork, daily quizzes, what have you. Major assignments are your tests and quizzes. So that, again, that's just to kind of help balance things out a little bit since things are a little bit different this year. And that's all I've got for you. So again, this is in Canvas, so feel free to come back and look at anything that you need, and I'm super excited to see you guys soon.